Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
Creating a cohesive and functional open-concept kitchen and living room can transform your home into a spacious and inviting environment. Blending these essential spaces seamlessly requires thoughtful planning and design. Here are some inspiring ideas to help you achieve the perfect integration of your kitchen and living room. A unified color palette is crucial for creating a seamless flow between the kitchen and living room. Choose complementary colors for both spaces to create visual harmony. Neutral tones such as whites, grays, and beiges work well to maintain a cohesive look. You can add pops of color through accessories like cushions, artwork, and kitchenware. Open shelving can act as a bridge between the kitchen and living room. Use shelves to display both kitchen essentials and decorative items that match the style of your living room. This not only provides storage but also helps to blend the two spaces visually. Choose shelves that complement the cabinetry in your kitchen and the furniture in your living room. A kitchen island can serve multiple purposes, acting as a cooking area, dining table, and workspace. To blend it seamlessly with the living room, consider an island with a built-in bookshelf or storage for living room essentials. Use bar stools that match the living room furniture to create a cohesive look. The island can also serve as a natural divider between the kitchen and living room while maintaining an open feel. Using the same flooring throughout the kitchen and living room helps to unify the spaces. Hardwood, tile, or polished concrete are excellent choices for an open-concept design. Consistent flooring creates a seamless transition and makes the entire area feel larger and more connected. A statement lighting fixture can tie the kitchen and living room together. Consider a large chandelier or pendant lights above the kitchen island that match the lighting in the living room. This helps to create a focal point and visually connects the two spaces. Additionally, under-cabinet lighting in the kitchen can complement ambient lighting in the living room. While maintaining an open floor plan, rugs can help define different areas within the space. Place a large rug under the living room seating area and a smaller one under the dining or kitchen island area. Ensure the rugs complement each other in style and color to maintain cohesion. This technique helps to create distinct zones without disrupting the flow. To blend the kitchen and living room effectively, ensure that the design styles of both spaces complement each other. For instance, if you have a modern kitchen, choose contemporary furniture and decor for the living room. Matching elements like cabinetry, countertops, and furniture finishes will create a harmonious look. Extending the kitchen backsplash into the living room can create a seamless look. Use the same material and design for a cohesive appearance. This could be a tiled wall that runs from the kitchen into the living room or a consistent color and pattern that ties both areas together visually. Decorative elements should tie the two spaces together. Use similar materials, colors, and styles for items such as throw pillows, vases, and artwork. A cohesive decor theme will make the transition between the kitchen and living room feel natural and intentional. Choose kitchen appliances and living room furniture that complement each other. Stainless steel appliances can pair well with modern furniture, while vintage appliances might suit a more traditional or rustic living room. The key is to ensure that the style and finish of the appliances and furniture are in harmony. Plants are a great way to bring life and continuity to an open-concept space. Use similar types of plants in both the kitchen and living room to create a cohesive look. Hanging plants, potted herbs in the kitchen, and larger floor plants in the living room can tie the spaces together organically. Functionality is key in an open-concept design. Arrange furniture and kitchen elements to facilitate easy movement and interaction between the spaces. For instance, position the seating area so that it faces the kitchen, making it easy to converse with family members or guests while cooking. If you prefer some separation without losing the open feel, consider using sliding or glass doors. These can be closed for privacy or open to create a larger, unified spa. Glass doors maintain visual connectivity while providing flexibility in how you use the space. An accent wall can help blend the kitchen and living room by providing a visual link between the two areas. Use the same color or pattern on an accent wall in both spaces to create a cohesive look. This can be achieved with paint, wallpaper, or a material like brick or wood paneling. Ensure that storage solutions in the kitchen and living room are consistent in style and material. Built-in cabinets that run from the kitchen into the living room, or matching storage units, can help create a seamless transition and maintain the overall aesthetic of the space. Blending your kitchen and living room into a cohesive, functional space is about finding balance and harmony between the two areas. By using a unified color palette, consistent materials, and thoughtful design elements, you can create an open-concept home that is both stylish and practical. Embrace these ideas to transform your kitchen and living room into an integrated space that enhances your home's flow and functionality. As we come to the end of today's video, I hope you found some inspiration and ideas for your own interior design projects. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips, tricks, and creative solutions for transforming your space. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments below which design element you liked the most. Stay tuned for our next video, and until then, happy decorating!